14 small changes you could make to change your life forever. We found at Business with Joe that people will make up 1,000 excuses not to do something that will make their life better and change the way they think. So in this final video for 2021 we thought we'd do something different and give you some tips and help on how you can make small changes that could help you change your life, start implementing some of the things we talk about in our other videos and give you the life you want. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button because in 2022 we will be bringing you great new videos on how to make money and change your life. Instead of focusing on huge, radical steps, start moving forward by incorporating small and simple things that you can implement immediately. Remember that the one constant thing in our life is change. The more we resist it, the tougher our life becomes. 1. Reprogram your mind to stay positive. Negativity is all around us. There's nothing we can do about that, but what we can do is learn how to reprogram our minds to stay positive. Keeping a gratitude journal. Jot down what you're thankful for every day instead of worrying what you don't have. Creating and repeating positive affirmations that acknowledge the progress you are making in the areas where you want to improve. If you've got another subscriber on YouTube or made even a small amount of money selling something, feel good about it. Surrounding yourself with positive people who lift your spirits. Remember, emotions are contagious. Don't acknowledge negative thoughts. Staying active. Exercise releases endorphins, but idleness leads to overanalyzing and overthinking. 2. Find meaning. Spend some time trying to sort out what is important in your life and why it is important. What is it that you want to achieve in your life? What are your dreams? What makes you happy? Your meaning in life gives you purpose and sets the direction of how you want to live your life. Without meaning, you will spend the rest of your life wandering aimlessly with no direction, focus, or purpose. 3. Set your alarm half an hour earlier. One thing many successful individuals have in common is they get up early. While you don't have to wake up at the ungodly hour, you could start setting your early half an hour earlier. This will give you some extra time in the morning to exercise, meditate, read, check your emails, have breakfast with your family, plan your day or work on your new business idea. 4. Create a dream board. As we grow into adults, we lose our ability to dream. Our dreams became hidden once we started to feel like achieving our dreams was impossible. A dream board is a great way for you to start believing in your own dreams again. Seeing your dreams every day on a dream board brings them life. It will also act as a daily reminder to refocus your energy and direct it toward what you really want to achieve. 5. Clean up after yourself immediately. How long does it really take to make your bed or wash your breakfast dishes? Maybe 5 minutes? Here's the thing. If you don't stay on top of these minor chores, they quickly build up. That cereal bowl and coffee mug becomes a sink full of smelly dishes that take a lot of time to clean. If washed immediately, you wouldn't have this headache. What's more, people who immediately clean up after themselves tend to be happier, as well as more successful since it makes you feel accomplished, removes clutter, and gives them a sense of control. 6. Set goals. Once you know what is important in your life and what your dream life looks like in the long run, you need to take action and set your long-term, medium, and short-term goals. Acting on these goals will enable you to achieve your dreams and change your life. Remember that your goals may change. Always be flexible with setting and achieving your goals as things in life change, and your goals need to reflect these changes. It's the small steps that you take that create the momentum when you're learning how to change your life. 7. Don't overcommit. A common theme with self-help advice is how people make goal setting sound easy. They'll suggest that you get more exercise or sleep, but that's easier said than done when you're working 12-hour days. It's just easier to commit and follow through successfully if you keep your goals simple and clearly defined. Start small and work your way up. If you want to start your own business, don't go straight in with needing to employ loads of people. Maybe start selling stuff online and learn the ropes about running a business, then grow as you learn. 8. Let go of regrets. Regrets will only hold you back in life. If you spend all your time thinking about the past, you will miss the present and the future. You cannot change what you did or did not do in the past, so let it go. The only thing you have control over now is how you choose to live your present and future life. Each time you experience a negative thought about your past, challenge it. If you want to have some fun and visualize letting go of your regrets, try writing down each regret on a piece of paper and then burying it in your backyard or burning it in a bonfire with friends. 9. Don't be so predictable. Doing the same thing each and every day puts us in a rut. One of the best things that you can do for yourself is to stop being so predictable. Break out of your comfort zone at least once a week and do something new that you've never done before. Try yoga. Go skiing. Purchase a new gadget. Opening ourselves up to new experiences makes us happier, changes our perspectives, helps us recognize new opportunities, boosts energy and makes us more receptive to change. This cycle circles back. New experiences will make you happier. 10. Tackle the one thing that you've been putting off. We all put off that one thing. Setting priorities includes making certain seemingly small tasks not to build up until you have to spend an entire day catching up. If you have unfinished tasks, you are carrying a heavy weight around with you all the time, no matter how small each task is. You have to remember it. If possible, when you think of it, do it right away. After you've listed your priorities for the day, add a long-standing chore to your to-do list. For example, at the end of the workday, you'll make that phone call or organize your workplace since you've already gotten all of your most important, and energy-draining, tasks done for the day. You'll be surprised at how much better, and productive, you'll feel once you've crossed these items off your list, even if it's just a mental list. 11. Do something that scares you. This is all about you choosing to step out of your comfort zone and see limitations from a different perspective. Make a list of scary things that you would like to do but are too afraid to. Start small, put a plan in place, and then go do them. Never stop doing scary things if you genuinely want to avoid complacency and comfort and change your life. 12. Start living a well-balanced life. Our health does not remain the same. Our physical, emotional, and spiritual state changes as we get older. What we can control, however, is how we feed our minds and our bodies. Living a balanced and healthy life builds our resilience to the physical changes of our body. Exercise is the best way in which we can attain a positive and optimistic attitude toward life. Living a healthy, well-balanced life with lots of exercise is a lifestyle choice that will give you a happier and more fulfilled life. Exercise is an incredibly powerful tool that will improve your life and help you feel good. 13. Live in the moment. Many of us tend to think that the grass is greener on the other side. Often, we get to the other side of the fence and find that this is not so. The motivation to change our lives comes from our desire to be happy. We are often so busy focusing on our pursuit of happiness that we miss the joy of actually living in the moment. Our desire to have happiness in our lives is a desire of a future state, not of the present. We become so consumed with all our problems in the present that we miss the precious beauty of the moment. This is what living your life in the moment is all about. Don't miss these moments because you are too busy focusing on your pursuit of happiness. 14. Just do it. Nike had it right when they said just do it. Procrastinating or putting off starting your new life will never get you to where you want to be. Loads of people have wanted to leave their dull 9-to-5 job but never get round to doing anything about it. Start that new business and make a new life for yourself. That's it for today's video and for this year. We hope you have learned a few things from us in 2021, and we wish you all a wonderful Christmas and can't wait to speak to you again with some great ideas on how to make money and give you the life you want.